Exercise 1a, if f of x equals to cos of log x, then show that f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y equals minus 1 by 2 of f of x by y plus 2 f of xy equals to 0. F of x equals to cos of log x, f of 1 by x, substitute the value of x equals to 1 by x, cos of log 1 by x. So cos of log 1 minus log x. Since log a by b equals to log a minus log b, log a minus log b. So cos of log 1 equals to 0 minus log x. Cos of minus log x, cos of minus plus cos of log x, cos of log x, right? And f of 1 by y, f of cos of log y, similarly log y, similarly cos of log y, okay. And f of x by y equals to cos of log x by y equals to cos of log x minus log y, okay. F of xy cos of log xy equals to cos of log x plus log y, okay, right. Now find the value of f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 of f of x by y plus f of xy. F of 1 by x equals to cos of log x, cos of log x into cos of log y minus 1 by 2 of f of x by y cos of log x minus log y plus xy cos of log x plus log y. Formula cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equals to 2 cos a cos b, okay, right. 2 cos a cos b, cos of log x into cos of log y minus 1 by 2 of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos of log x cos b cos of log y. 2 get cancelled. Cos of log x into cos of log y minus cos of log x into cos of log y get cancelled, that equals to 0, okay. If a equals to set of x is such that minus 1 is less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1, f of x equals to x square, g of x equals to x cube. First one, f of a to a is justifies injection or surjection, injection or surjection, f of a to a. First, given function f of x equals to x square. So here A is equal to set of above minus 1, below 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So function, take the function A to A, relation between f, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. First, find the value of images of all elements of A. F of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 1. Minus 1, image of minus 1 equals to 1. F of 0 equals to 0 square, that is equals to 0. F of 1 square equals to 1. Okay, different elements does not have different images. So minus 1, image of minus 1, 1. Image of 1, 1. Different elements have same image. So f of minus 1 equals to f of 1 equals to 1. Different elements have same image. Therefore, f is not a injection. Okay, right. Surjection, defined as surjection. So range f of A equal to, what is the images? Images are 0, 1, 0, 1. It is not equals to B. Therefore, f is not a surjection. Not a surjection. Injection, both not injection and surjection. Therefore, f is not a bijection. Okay, right. Second one, g from A to A, g of x equals to x cube. G of x equals to x cube. Right, take the diagram A to A, relation between g, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So find the value of g of minus 1 whole cube equals to minus 1. Image of minus 1, 0. 0 cube equals to 0. G of 1 cube equals to 1, 0, 1. So different elements have different images. Then it is called a injection. Okay, G is injection. And G of A range are equals to set of minus 1, 0, 1, that is equals to A. Therefore, range are equals to codomain. G is surjection. Injection, surjection, both G is a bijection. From minus 1 comma 1 to 0 comma 2, f of x equal to ax plus b, find a and b. So domain, codomain given by f of x equals to ax plus b. So f of minus 1 equals to 0, f of 1 equals to 0. Suppose f of minus 1 means a of minus 1 plus b equals to 0. This implies minus a plus b equals to 0. Okay. F of 1 equals to 2. F of 1 equals to 2. And f of 1 equals to 2. F of 1 equals to, f of 1 means a of 1 plus b equals to 2. This implies a plus b equals to 2. Okay, therefore 3 and 4, from 3 and 4 implies minus a plus b equals to 0, a plus b equals to 2. Add, get cancelled, 2b equals to 2, b equals to 1. Substitute b equals to 1 in equation number 3. Minus a plus 1 equals to 0, a equals to 1.